Hey y'all, so today is Wig Wednesday, so that means I'm going to show y'all a wig or a review a wig or whatever. So for this Wednesday, I will just show y'all a wig that I already have, but I never did a review on it, so I'm going to do a review on it. And this wig I got off of Amazon, and I only wore this wig one time, so I don't wear my wigs every day. Like, I never wear the same wig a whole week straight, so I can't really give you that much, like, you know, as far as maintenance, I can't really give you that much detail because I don't wear my wigs every day, so my wigs are always in good condition, you know. Alright, so this is not the wig I'm showcasing. This is a wig that I have on. I don't even know what her name is, but it's not it. So yeah, here is the wig that I'm going to be showing y'all. This is the bag it came in. Got this off of Amazon, if you didn't hear me for the first time. The name is Charisma. And I actually like this bag. And then it came in this bag too, so that's good. So this is a lace frontal, so I wanted to try some color. I wanted to get bold, so that's what I did. And this is what the wig looked like. Beautiful color, I love it. It's so cute. Curly, really bouncy. But this wig ranged from the price of $40 to $50. I don't remember, but I will find a link to the wig and put it in the description box so you can go check it out and buy it yourself. This wig is like a lace front. This wig is synthetic also. It's like a burnt orange color, as you can see. It's really, really pretty, honestly. Like, and here's like the part that you get. I haven't plucked it or anything major because I don't wear this every day. Only wore this wig one time. This wig is pretty full for it to be a synthetic wig. This wig is full, baby. Like, and it's really bouncy. Like, so y'all see these curls? Like, these are the curls I haven't pulled or plucked or brushed out, whatever you want to say. But as you can see, I kind of brushed the rest out. But yeah, I love this wig. It's pretty cute, like, okay. And this wig is pretty long, like, ooh, you see, this wig is pretty long. What else? This wig has 2 combs. What else? So it has 2 combs. I feel like you will have to like put some baby hairs out. You gotta cut your own baby hairs. It don't come with baby hairs. So yeah, you gotta cut your own baby hairs. And I feel like if you don't make baby hairs for this wig, it's not gonna really look that good. So yeah, that's really all I have to say about this wig. You should go buy it. I definitely recommend this wig. And yeah, you should go buy it, sis. I think I'm gonna straighten this wig, so let me know if you think I should just leave it like this or straighten it. That's all I have to say. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'm trying to get a certain amount of subscribers before the summer is up, before the year is up. So please help me reach my goal and subscribe to my channel. That's all I have to say. Follow all my Instagram page. I have a photography page, I have a poetry page, and I have a Finsta. So follow all them pages so you can keep up with everything I do. Stalk me. Don't really stalk me, but stalk me, you know. Support. And like, I love everybody who watch my videos. And yeah, that's all I have to say. If you like this video, again, don't forget to like. Most importantly, subscribe. Turn on the notification bell. And yeah, that's it. And thanks for watching. If you like this wig, don't forget to buy it also. And